grows cold and then fades away. Now when he touches you, make no mistake, the fire's long gone out and the ash has blown away. And you don't know how to leave, and you don't know where to fly, and you don't know what you feel, but you know it's not satisfied today. So many little ones, so many miles, you got a lot to feed and you know you don't know how. Making the best of it, somehow you're making do, making the best of the days that you stay and you wait in this cage they made for you. And you don't know how to leave, and you don't know where to find, and you got a lot of things to lose, so you got a lot of things to hide. And you don't know what you feel, but you know it's not satisfied. And you know you don't believe, but you know you gotta try. To bed and they say it's heavy on the wind coming back again. Maybe it's time to fly, time to fly away. When you gonna spread your wings and fly? When you're gonna fly?